Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do conditional rendering of classes in Vue Js. So if we have a data in Vue Js, okay, and the data is, I don't know, my name, okay? So I want a class in here, okay? I want to make a class. Let me show it to you. So in here, I want a class that will render between two containers depending on my name. Container one or container two, depending on my name in here, you know. If my name is not Samanja and it is, I don't know, Tom, or it is Julia, I want it to represent show container two. Okay, let me make the container class first, okay? Let me attach this data in the app, okay? In app.js, it is there. And in data, okay, so what I'm gonna do, the way I prefer, first of all, let me create a class, okay? Call it container one. And in this class, I'm gonna make a container one class, okay? With 100% height, 300 pixels, background color, black, and the color, white. And in here, I want to render, I want the interpolation, and I want to render the name inside the container. Okay, so I'm using Vite. You don't have to use Vite. If you use Vite, you can do npm run dev. And let me see. Okay, so I'm getting Julia in here because in my name it says Julia, but if the name is Samanja, I want it to render this container. Okay. I want it to render this container and I want it to be red. So if my name is not Julia, if my name is Samanja, I want container 2 to be in effect in here. So instead of making another class and then putting VIF or here for conditional rendering, what I can do in here is that I could make something called a computed method, okay? And in here, I could call container, and I could return. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a ternary operator, and if name this dot name equal Samanja, then it needs to return container wait, container one, or else if the name is not Samanja, I wanted to return container two. Container two. Okay, so here I'm just gonna call the class. Here I'm gonna make it conditional. In order to make it conditionally render, I have to do this. Okay, container. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay, it's returning. I'm pretty sure I wanted it to return. Oh, no. If it's not Samanja, okay, let me see. It's returning container one. Okay, so as you can see, this works. If my name is Samanja, it's returning container one as the class, as the as using this container class is using this one. If my name is not Samanja, if the name in data in here is not Samanja, it's something else, anything else, okay? It's doing is that it's returning container two, and this is a ternary operator. So this is how you render a class conditionally in Vue.js, and I thought it was very it was very amazing to me when I first did this. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and please subscribe.